Electrical incidents pose significant safety risks in workplaces and homes. Electrocution injuries occur when an electric current passes through the body, causing burns, organ damage, and neurological injuries. Electrocution is the leading cause of electrical fatalities, responsible for approximately 70.0% of all electrical deaths. Arc flashes are intense bursts of energy that can cause severe burns, eye damage, and lung injuries. Arc flashes can also be fatal, accounting for approximately 20.0% of electrical deaths. Electrical explosions can cause severe property damage and inflict shrapnel-like injuries to individuals in the vicinity. Explosions due to electrical faults are less common, but can result in fatal injuries. Other electrical hazards include burns, falls, and eye damage. Electrical burns can occur from contact with live wires, electrical equipment, or arcs. Electrocution or arc flash injuries can lead to falls, resulting in additional injuries or fatalities. Arc flashes and explosions can emit harmful ultraviolet radiation, causing eye damage. The percentages are as follows: electrocution 70.0%, arc flash 20.0%, explosions less than 10.0%, and other hazards variable. These percentages are approximate and may vary depending on the specific type of industry, work environment, and safety practices in place. It's crucial to emphasize the severe consequences of electrical incidents and the importance of following safety protocols. Proper insulation and grounding are critical. Using personal protective equipment, often referred to as PPE, is also vital. Lockout/tagout procedures must be followed. Regular safety training and inspections are necessary to maintain a safe work environment. Electrocution, the most common electrical fatality, occurs when a person comes into contact with a live electrical source in a path to ground. The severity of an electrocution injury depends on several factors, including the amount of current, the path the current takes through the body, and the duration of the exposure. Lower voltages may cause a tingling sensation or minor muscle contractions, while higher voltages can cause severe burns, cardiac arrest, and death. Arc flashes are a particularly dangerous type of electrical explosion that occurs when electricity jumps between two conductors, creating a superheated plasma arc. The temperatures generated by an arc flash can reach tens of thousands of degrees Fahrenheit, causing severe burns to anyone in the vicinity. The intense light and pressure waves from an arc flash can also cause eye damage, hearing loss, and lung injuries. Electrical explosions can also occur when flammable gases or vapors are ignited by an electrical spark or arc. These explosions can cause significant property damage and can also injure or kill workers. Other electrical hazards include electrical burns, which can occur when a person comes into contact with a live electrical wire or electrical equipment. These burns can be very deep and can require extensive medical treatment. Falls are also a common hazard associated with electrical work. Workers who are electrocuted or exposed to an arc flash may lose their balance and fall, resulting in serious injuries. Eye damage can also occur from arc flashes and explosions. The intense light from these events can cause burns to the cornea and retina, resulting in temporary or permanent vision loss. To prevent electrical injuries and deaths, it is essential to follow safety protocols at all times. This includes ensuring that all electrical equipment is properly grounded, using personal protective equipment such as insulated gloves and safety glasses, and following lockout/tagout procedures when working on electrical equipment. Lockout/tagout is a safety procedure used to prevent accidental energization of equipment during maintenance or repair. The procedure involves disconnecting the equipment from its power source and then locking and tagging the disconnect switch to prevent it from being turned on. Regular safety training and inspections are also essential for maintaining a safe work environment. Workers should be trained on the hazards of electricity and the proper safety procedures to follow. Inspection should be conducted regularly to identify and correct any electrical hazards. The National Electrical Code, NEC, provides comprehensive guidelines for safe electrical installations and practices. Adherence to the NEC is crucial in preventing electrical hazards. Some key aspects of electrical safety include proper grounding, which ensures that electrical current has a safe path to ground in the event of a fault. Ground fault circuit interrupters, or GFCIs, are also essential for protecting against electrical shock. GFCIs monitor the current flowing in a circuit and will quickly shut off the power if they detect a ground fault. Arc fault circuit interrupters, or AFSIs, are designed to protect against fires caused by arc faults. AFSIs can detect arc faults and will shut off the power to the circuit before a fire can start. Personal protective equipment, or PPE, is also critical for protecting workers from electrical hazards. PPE includes insulated gloves, safety glasses, and flame-resistant clothing. It is important to select the appropriate PPE for the specific electrical task being performed. Lockout/tagout procedures are a critical part of electrical safety. These procedures ensure that equipment is de-energized and locked out before any maintenance or repair work is performed. Regular safety training is essential for keeping workers up to date on the latest electrical safety procedures. Training should cover the hazards of electricity, the proper use of PPE, and lockout/tagout procedures. Inspections should be conducted regularly to identify and correct any electrical hazards. Inspections should be performed by qualified personnel who are familiar with the NEC and other applicable safety standards. Electrical safety is a shared responsibility. Everyone in a workplace has a role to play in preventing electrical injuries and deaths. By following safety protocols and working together, we can create a safe and healthy work environment. The Occupational Safety and Health Administration, OSHA, provides regulations and guidelines for electrical safety in the workplace. Employers are required to comply with OSHA regulations to protect their employees from electrical hazards. OSHA also conducts inspections of workplaces to ensure compliance with its regulations. Failure to comply with OSHA regulations can result in fines and other penalties. Electrical safety is not just a matter of compliance, it is also a matter of ethics. Employers have a moral obligation to protect their employees from electrical hazards. By investing in electrical safety, employers can create a safer and more productive workplace. The cost of electrical injuries and deaths is significant, both in terms of human suffering and financial losses. Preventing electrical injuries and deaths is the right thing to do, both morally and economically. Understanding the different types of electrical hazards is crucial for implementing effective safety measures. Firstly, electrocution can occur when a person comes into contact with a live electrical source. The severity of the injury depends on the amount of current, the path of the current through the body, and the duration of the exposure. Secondly, arc flashes are a dangerous type of electrical explosion that can cause severe burns, eye damage, and lung injuries. Arc flashes occur when electricity jumps between two conductors, creating a superheated plasma arc. Thirdly, electrical explosions can occur when flammable gases or vapors are ignited by an electrical spark or arc. These explosions can cause significant property damage and can also injure or kill workers. Fourthly, electrical burns can occur when a person comes into contact with a live electrical wire or electrical equipment. These burns can be very deep and can require extensive medical treatment. Fifthly, falls are a common hazard associated with electrical work. Workers who are electrocuted or exposed to an arc flash may lose their balance and fall, resulting in serious injuries. Sixthly, eye damage can occur from arc flashes and explosions. The intense light from these events can cause burns to the cornea and retina, resulting in temporary or permanent vision loss. Implementing effective safety measures can significantly reduce the risk of electrical injuries and deaths. These measures include proper grounding, the use of GFCIs and AFSIs, the use of PPE, lockout/tagout procedures, regular safety training, and regular inspections. Grounding ensures that electrical current has a safe path to ground in the event of a fault. GFCIs protect against electrical shock by quickly shutting off the power if they detect a ground fault. AFSIs protect against fires caused by arc faults. PPE protects workers from electrical hazards. Lockout/tagout procedures ensure that equipment is de-energized and locked out before any maintenance or repair work is performed. Regular safety training keeps workers up to date on the latest electrical safety procedures. Regular inspections identify and correct any electrical hazards. By implementing these safety measures, we can create a safer and healthier work environment for everyone. It is important to remember that electrical safety is a shared responsibility. Everyone in the workplace has a role to play in preventing electrical injuries and deaths. By following safety protocols and working together, we can create a safe and productive work environment. Safety should be a core value in every organization. When safety is prioritized, it sends a clear message to employees that their well-being is valued. This can lead to increased employee engagement, improved morale, and a reduction in accidents and injuries. A strong safety culture is built on a foundation of trust, communication, and accountability. Employees need to trust that their employer is committed to providing a safe work environment. Open communication is essential for identifying and addressing safety concerns. Accountability ensures that everyone is responsible for following safety procedures. Investing in electrical safety is not just the right thing to do, it is also the smart thing to do. By preventing electrical injuries and deaths, organizations can save money on workers' compensation costs, medical expenses, and lost productivity. A safe work environment can also improve employee morale and productivity. When employees feel safe, they are more likely to be engaged in their work and perform at their best. Electrical safety is an ongoing process that requires continuous improvement. Organizations should regularly review their safety procedures and identify areas for improvement. They should also stay up to date on the latest electrical safety standards and regulations. By continuously improving their safety performance, organizations can create a safer and healthier work environment for everyone. Electrical safety is a critical component of overall workplace safety. By understanding the hazards of electricity and implementing effective safety measures, we can prevent electrical injuries and deaths. Safety is a shared responsibility, and everyone has a role to play in creating a safe and healthy work environment.